So I actually don't quite know what to do. I'd like to get a freestanding pool, just a shorter one.
What are you doing? Is it stuck? Is it stuck? It's stuck. It's because you got the walker in front of it. You gotta move it. Kind of like that. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. You moving the walker too? Say, get out of my way. What's it stuck on? It's stuck on the walker.